Hello kids! Good morning or good afternoon. It's me again, Teacher Tina, and today is Science 5. So please get your workbook and textbook. Again, workbook and textbook. For workbook, page 90, and for textbook, page 130 and 131. Again, workbook, page 90, textbook 130 and 131. Are you ready, kids? Let's start. So today, our topic is about conservation of water. Again, conservation of water. So please open your workbook, page 90. And for textbook, 130 and 131. So, this is continuation of topic last week about water. So, only 2.5% of water on the earth is fresh water. Again, 2.5% of the water on the earth is fresh water. And most of the fresh water is frozen in glaciers and ice sheets. Again, the most fresh water is frozen in glaciers and ice sheets. Since there is less than 2.5% again, less than 2.5% of the fresh water on the earth that is available for humans, plants, and animals to use. Again, for the humans, plants, and animals to use, just only less than 2.5%. Again, less than 2.5% of the fresh water on the earth that is for humans, plants, and animals to use. Less than 2.5%. So, we are fortunate that clean water is available in every home. However, we should not take clean water for granted. We should use water economically and do not waste. Again, do not waste the clean water. And this is known as conservation of water. Again, conservation of water. So, I will discuss about that. So, this is ways to conserve water. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That is ways to conserve water. So, number 1 is turn off the tap while brushing your teeth. Number 2, reuse water used for washing vegetables for other purposes such as watering plants. Wash dishes in a sink full of water instead of under a running tap. Number 4, take a shower instead of soaking in the bathtub. Number 5, collect rainwater to wash the car or watering the plants. Number 6, make sure the taps are not leaking. Number 7, use the washing machine to wash full load of clothes. So number 8, use a bucket instead of a hose to wash cars. So this is, I will explain. Okay, so number 1 is, this is ways to conserve water. Number 1, turn off the tap. Turn off while brushing your teeth. So you need to turn off the tap while brushing your teeth. So this is do and this is don't. To conserve water. Again, turn off the tap while brushing your teeth to conserve water. Number two is reuse. Again, reuse water used for washing vegetable or vegetable. Again, reuse water used for washing vegetable or vegetables for other purposes such as watering plants. Again, after you washing a vegetable, you can use for watering plants. To conserve water. Again, number 2, reuse water for washing vegetables or vegetables for other purposes such as watering plants. So after you wash the vegetables or vegetable, you can use the water for watering plants. Number 3. So number 3, wash dishes. This is dishes. In a sink full of water. Sink full of water. This is wash dishes in a sink full of water instead of under running tap. This is under running tap. So this is do, this is don't. To conserve water. Again, wash dishes in a sink full of water instead of under running tap. This is under running tap. So this is do and this is don't. To conserve water. Number 4 is take a shorter shower. Again, take a shorter shower instead of soaking in the bathtub. Again, number 4 is take a shorter shower instead of soaking in the bathtub. To conserve water. Number 5 is collect rainwater. Collect rainwater to wash the car or watering the plants. This is wash the car and this is watering the plants. To conserve water. Again, number 5 is collect rainwater. Collect rainwater to wash the car or watering the plants. Number 6 is make sure the taps are not leaking. So this is no leaking and this is have leaking. So this is make sure the taps are not leaking. So this is do, this is don't. To conserve water. And number 7 is use the washing machine. This is washing machine to wash a full load of clothes. So this is wash for the full load clothes. To conserve water. Again, use the washing machine. This is washing machine to wash a full load of clothes. So this is to conserve water. And number 8, use a bucket instead of hose. This is the hose and this is the bucket to wash car. This is do, this is don't. To conserve water. Again, number 8, use a bucket instead of hose to wash car. So this is correct, this is not correct. So this is do, this is don't. To conserve water. And that is the 8th conservation of water. And this is important. It is important to take care of our water sources Again, water sources such as river and lake. Our supply of water comes from these water sources because our water is from river and lakes. So therefore, we must keep the water sources clean. So, must keep the water sources clean. We must not throw rubbish. So, not throw rubbish in the water. This is don't, and this is do. So this is good, this is not good. Not throw rubbish into water sources. Sewage from house and factories should be treated before being released into river to avoid water pollution. This is called that water pollution. So you need avoid water pollution because that is our sources of water from the house and the other like factory and house. So therefore, we must keep the water sources clean. So this we must avoid water. This is avoid water pollution. So this is water pollution. This is factory. This is house. So not throw rubbish. So this is don't, and this is do. This is good and this is not good. Because from the rivers and lake that is our supply of water comes from these water sources. So therefore, we must keep the water sources clean. So I hope you understand our topic for today. So please open your workbook, page 94, 95, and 109, letter E, letter F, and letter G. So, the statement below describe the activities involving the use of water. Draw, smile for good practices. Draw, sad for practices. So again, smile for good practices and sad for practices. So, letter A, I let the pot and the bathtub full of water. Sad. Letter B, I collect rainwater to water plants. Letter C, I do not leave the tap running while brushing my teeth. Letter D, I use a hose to spray water on my car. Letter E, I install a low flush toilet to help reduce my water bills. And letter F, I always wash my dishes under running water. And for page 109, how do people obtain groundwater? So the answer is using wells and hand pumps. And letter F, how much and percentage? Again, how much and percentage is available water on the earth for human, plants, and animals to use? How many percentage? You need to write the answer here. And letter G, list 3 ways to conserve water. So write list 3 conserve water. 1, 2, and 3. So I hope you understand our topic for today. Thank you and goodbye.